Are you looking to clean up your Instagram profile and delete multiple posts on your PC? Well, you're in luck because Instagram has introduced a new update that makes it easier than ever to delete multiple posts. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to delete those unwanted photos or videos in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Once you're logged in, navigate to the bottom left corner of the screen and look for the More icon or the three dots. Click on it to access more options. Next, click on Your Activity from the menu. This will take you to a page where you can manage your activity on Instagram. Now, look for the Photos and Videos section and then click on the Posts section. Here, you'll see all the posts you've uploaded to your account. To select multiple posts for deletion, click on the Select button. This will allow you to choose the posts you want to delete. Once you've selected the posts, click on the Delete button. Instagram will ask you to confirm this action, so make sure you want to delete the selected post before proceeding. And that's it. You've successfully deleted multiple posts on Instagram using your PC. It's quick, easy, and a great way to keep your profile looking fresh and organized. So, next time you want to clean up your Instagram account, remember these simple steps to easily delete multiple posts in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching and happy deleting.